Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making this healthy ranch pasta salad. And now this pasta salad is a little bit different than your typical ranch pasta salad. And now you may be thinking, healthy ranch? How is that possible? As a Midwesterner, I've seen a lot of ranch pasta salads, and most of them are overly creamy, they're loaded with ranch dressing, and they can just make you feeling heavy after eating them. Well, this ranch pasta salad is unlike anything you guys have ever seen. It's full of veggies, it's packed with protein, and it still has that amazing ranch flavor that you know and love, but it's just a little bit healthier. Let me show you guys how to make it. So first, you're gonna start by making a pound of penne noodles, and we're just gonna cook these per the instructions on the package. So while the noodles are cooking, you guys can make up your ranch seasoning mix and chop the veggies. So I like to use my own homemade ranch seasoning mix. That way I know it's free of seed oils and soy. I'll link my recipe in the description, but if you guys want to use your favorite store-bought ranch seasoning mix, you can use that as well. While ranch is usually like a thick and creamy dressing, and that may be why some people love it, but growing up in the Midwest, ranch I feel like was on everything, and I'm not a huge fan of the creaminess of it all the time, but I really enjoy the flavors of ranch. So using this ranch seasoning mix along with olive oil is going to give this salad such a light and delicious flavor. I know you guys are going to love it. So I have my noodles cooling here, and now we're just going to chop up our veggies for this pasta salad. And now you guys can use different veggies if you like. You can feel free to use up what's in your fridge or whatever you got in your farm box. If you like the veggies, go ahead and put them in this salad. So we're gonna add some purple cabbage. This is gonna give this salad a beautiful color and a little bit of a crunch, which I absolutely love. Feel free to use green cabbage in its place, that totally works as well. Next, we're gonna cut up some cucumber, and I like to leave the skins on the cucumbers, but if you wanna peel them, you can totally do that. Then we're just gonna quarter these so we have nice, small, bite-sized pieces. Next, we're gonna add 1 yellow bell pepper. And you guys can use any color you like, but the yellow is a little bit like sweet, and I really like it with this pasta salad. Next, we're gonna add in a 1/2 cup of diced red onion. Next, we're gonna grate 1 large carrot, and I like to use the large grate size. And then last, we're adding some chopped broccoli. And then I like to chop up some deli turkey meat to go into this salad. This is what's gonna make this a meal. It's gonna add more protein. You guys could also do chicken if you want, or you could also use deli ham or roast beef. All of those also work. And if you want to leave the meat out, you can totally do that as well if you're looking for more of a side salad. So once our noodles are cooled and our veggies are chopped, now comes the fun part, and it's just time to put everything together in one bowl. That is, if you have a bowl that is big enough for this pasta salad, which is always my biggest challenge whenever I make it. And so if you can't see the noodles, then you've done it right. Now all we have to do is add in our olive oil and our ranch seasoning mix. Now it's the time to mix this up. And if you guys have a bowl with a lid, you can put the lid on and then shake it too. That totally works. And now we have a delicious, healthy, lighter version of ranch pasta salad. This will make the perfect side dish to any backyard barbecue, Labor Day, 4th of July, Memorial Day party. You can also make this for an easy weeknight dinner, and it's great for meal prep and leftovers. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.